great feature with these tyre deflators is how easy it is to adjust the desired pressure. It's a matter of just loosening the inner collar and winding the orange body up or down to your desired pressures. In this case, we'll go for approximately 20 psi. Now you tighten the collar back down nice and tight, and that will stop the inner core from moving. Pretty much a set and forget design. Remove valve cap and store in your pocket. Screw on deflator and pull the end knob. The deflator will stop hissing air once it meets the desired pressure. Now you can remove the deflator and reinstall the valve cap that you had stored in your pocket. As easy as that. Once all 4 tyres have reached their desired pressures, remove each deflator and store in its handy neoprene pouch, which you can then store in the glove box for your next trip.